Clemens from Sec 2 Volleyball. One thing I like about volleyball is the way it brings people together, uniting them as a team with a shared goal. One of the aspects I cherish most about playing volleyball is the opportunity to share the court with my friends. The bond we've developed through countless practices, games, and shared victories and losses are truly very special. The trust and understanding we've built within our volleyball team have definitely been part of our accomplishments.
Let's go!